So, hello subscribers and fans and followers. Welcome to the next English video. I make it yesterday in German. So, here we come from the unboxing and review from the Team Associated SC28. And yeah, I crashed the battery and I find a solution. That is a very good solution. That was a very good idea. And it worked very well, and I'm very happy with it. And I show it you after the intro. So here we are. Yes, after I tried to load the battery in the car with an optional charger. It failed. It failed horrible. I destroyed the battery. This is a little piece called battery, and it's very small. I have here some issues with my little fluffy friends. Yeah, one is ill, but it's another story. He's very, yeah, he wants to cuddle. Yeah. And yeah, I break this little battery, and it's 150 milliampere hours and mAh, and yeah, it's very, very small. So I tried to figure out, I want to have a battery that I can charge outside of the car, not to plug in the radio control all time. We have there a little piece that goes inside the car. I showed it maybe on the review video. I don't show it in the German video. Now I show it in the English video. Here you have the control and the battery, and here you have the little one, the little piece to stick inside the car to load the battery. Yeah, but it also empty the batteries also in the control unit. Fernsteuerung in German. And yeah, so I decided to make reassemble a new battery, and here we have the new one. It's very big. It's much more bigger, and it have 750 milliampere hours, and it's quite bigger. With a little battery, I have driving time about 10 minutes, and now about 40 minutes roundabout, and only with one battery. And then I have bought a pack of 5. So, and also extern charging. You can plug in the batteries, 1 or 2 or all 5, and the LEDs goes off when the battery is loaded, it's finished. Yeah, it's very it's a very better solution than before, and because of the size of the battery, I can put it inside the car. It's really too big, and I have take on another cable with a plug, and I also make sure that I don't verdecken, that you see the LED, the status LED, and not above, from beside, it's okay. Then you see when it's blinking, the battery is empty. Yeah, and I can stick on 2 batteries in a row for driving, and I have 1.5 hour driving time with this little car, and it doesn't change how to drive the car and the drive ability, stability, or something else. Nothing has changed. There's not a big difference, and there's no difference. Not a big, no difference. Yeah. So this is a little car. This is the change I made for the battery, and it's very easy for everyone who makes models for every RC fan. You always sometimes just made it, I don't know the word exactly, löten. My English is so bad, I'm so sorry. I take it under the video so you see it in the line where it stands. And there I take in the right words. So, sorry for that, I'm just learning. Not just learning, I'm learning again the new words for model builders, and yeah. So, I have to make a short interrupt because of the right words. So, after this sequence, I made a video in fast forward for the soldering for the new cable, and after this sequence I don't make another sequence for the ending of the video, so I make here a cut and enjoy the fast forward for the soldering for the cable. And yeah, in the next videos I hope I can make more videos in English in the next time, and in the next weeks I also have to I want to make the next videos in English for my basic stuff, for the basics, for model craft, for model building. And yeah, I hope it worked, and I hope you have fun and enjoyed the time with me. It's a very short video, but okay, I make it. I finished it, and we will see in the next videos. See you. Have a good time. Bye.